I thought I would make this video because I think it's very important that whenever possible, just get away and spend some solitary moments in nature, which is what I'm actually doing now. Just kind of leave it all behind for a while and just lose yourself in the beauty and the wonders of nature. It's very uplifting. It promotes positive energy and it just kind of brings you back down to earth and the perspective of the simplicity of things. This is not a long video, just a little simple reminder to back off from the daily hustle and bustle of things and just find your way back to nature, and you will be surprised of what it can really do for you, the energy that it gives you, and just how it just brings you into the moment of what we call now. So take care, everyone. Until the next video.